Here's the truth nobody tells you. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, the people obsessing over individual stock picks and day trading, they're making less money than people who just set it and forget it. Today, I'm showing you the one investment strategy that actually works for normal people who want financial freedom without the stress. Let's start with what an index fund actually is, because the name sounds fancy, but it's incredibly simple. An index fund is just a basket of stocks that copies a market index. Think of the S&P 500, which is literally just the 500 biggest companies in America. When you buy one index fund, you're not picking Apple or Tesla or whatever. You're buying a tiny piece of all 500 companies. That's it. One investment, zero thinking required. Now here's where most beginners mess up, and I need you to hear this. Mistake number 1. Waiting for the perfect time to invest. The market's been at all-time highs for literally decades, and people who waited for a crash missed out on thousands in gains. Mistake number 2, thinking you need a huge amount of money to start. You don't. Most brokers let you invest $100 or even $1. Mistake number 3, panic selling when the market drops. The people who got rich didn't sell when things got scary. They kept buying. Here's exactly how to start in 3 steps. Step 1. Open a brokerage account at a place like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. These are the big, trusted names. It takes 10 minutes online. Step 2. Put money in. Doesn't matter if it's 100 or 1,000. Step 3. Invest in a simple index fund. For most beginners, I recommend the S&P 500 index fund or a total stock market index fund. That's the whole strategy. Literally, thousands of pages of financial advice boil down to this. Let me show you the math so you actually see why this matters. Say you invest $500 a month starting today, assuming an average annual return of 10%, which is actually what the stock market has averaged historically. In 20 years, you'd have roughly $300,000. That's not a get-rich scheme. That's just compounding. Money making money while you sleep. That's passive income. That's financial freedom. And it requires zero expertise on your part. The last thing you need to know, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what actually works. The reason index funds beat 90% of professional stock pickers? Because they keep costs low and they diversify. You're not gambling on one company. You own pieces of hundreds. It's boring. It's not exciting. And that's exactly why it works. Your action step right now. Go open a brokerage account this week. It takes 10 minutes. Then invest $100, or whatever you can afford. Don't wait for the market to drop. Don't wait until you feel ready. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video actually made personal finance click for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable money tips that don't waste your time.